Welcome to Helen's Corner. For some months now, it has been a routine to block all police stations, barracks, or checking points these days in Nigeria, especially in Southeast. Okay, so this police station in Centenary City is also blocked. That is why we are taking one way from here. So guys, in case you've not seen this Centenary City before, I have a vlog of it. Please go and watch it so that you can see how beautiful the whole area is. Today we are going to Afikpo International Stadium, like Olympic Stadium, Ebonyi International Stadium. So guys, welcome back again to my channel. Is your girl Helen Konko. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. This is the painting I'm talking about. The slab is painted green, and with the green flowers on top, it makes it look more beautiful. Okay, while the down is painted, is it black and gray or black and white? I don't even know the specific color. What do you think about the painting? Drop it in the comment section. Guys, that is the stadium fence that fell long time ago. That is the last vlog I did of the Afikpo International Stadium. Nothing has really changed. Look at it. They just pack it out. In fact, maybe they want to start doing it again. I don't know. So if you look at it, you can see grasses have grown because it's been long, and though they are still working on it. Look at the stadium. If you look down there, you are going to see some buildings up above, and then there you will see some tractors walking there. Anyway, I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see exactly how it looks. If you look closely, you're going to see the machines where I circled. So this is how they pieces that part of the fence that fell. Look at it on the floor now. Look at it. They just pieces it and arrange it that side. Maybe they want to come and remake it again. I don't know. Oh my god, this place is going to be very beautiful. So this is another entrance. That's by our right, but there are soldiers at that very side. And then by our left, you go to Centenary City. Okay, that's that roundabout. Okay, I heard there was a time they blocked this route. I don't know if it's because of the police station still, but thank God that that place is open now. So we drove past it to be able to cross to the front of the stadium so you guys can see the building that is already complete. So this is it. If you also take your left, you're going towards the Centenary City, and if you take your right here, you're going to end up at Afikpo Road. But this is the stadium area. This part of the fence did not fall. So if you can look ahead, you will notice that there is machine that is working there. Okay, that machine is packing sand. Look at it. Okay, towards our left hand side of this video. Now at the center of the video, you can see it packing sand, pouring it out, so meaning they are still digging. So this is the estate that's gone. So here is the main entrance. Inscribed on it is Ebonyi State Olympic Stadium. Okay, main gates. So this part of the fence too is okay. It's only the side, and I hope they will fix it soon. So this there's another gate here. Maybe this one will be exit while the other one will be in. I don't know. Anyway, when it's ready, we are going to know. Guys, if you know more about this stadium, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's learn more. And then we are leaving the stadium and going up to Afikpo Road. If you're still not subscribed to this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please always like and share my videos. That's the only way I'm going to grow. Thank you, guys. So we are in Afikpo Road. This is an express. You have to look closely before you cross, because this is highway. So as we are driving, we are going to get to that Nkaliki where we started the vlogs of Nkaliki. This is the junction where we started. We took our left hand side. Okay, as we drive ahead, we are going to see shopping mall and the Ecumenical center. Everything is within this place. You can see it from here itself. Okay, so let's drive. This vlog is going to end at Spera. That is the Spera and flyover that we are approaching. Okay, our left hand side is in the Nkaliki evening market is there, and inside it is Nkaliki area. Okay, I have a vlog on that. Please check my videos and you're going to see it if you want to really know how the side is. And then this is our Spera and I just want you guys to see the beauty of this junction. Enjoy it, enjoy it. We are going to end this vlog, but our right hand side first is the Spera Plaza. Okay, we just passed it. Okay, that's where this junction got its name from. Okay, we are going towards the Harris filling station. That's the road I'm going to take to go home, and that is where I'm going to end this vlog. All right guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please click the like button and share. Always remember that Helen loves you guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching Helen's Canal.